If you are a paid member of Intersect, the elections are open. I think left only 4 days. You can vote up to 4 candidates. I hope you can vote in all of them. Some are committee and 2 seats on the board. So you just come over here, the member area. And then if you come over here and you want to see more details, it will show up the name of all candidates. And then you have to scroll down and up. You can see here I have many candidates. And as soon as you pick one, this option will become available, submit my vote. And then you just submit your vote, and then here goes, vote submitted. You also can change your vote if you like. I vote for all of them, so it's how your screen should be looking at. It's up to you how many you vote. Thank you very much for being here. Like, subscribe, send the link, for we need people to participate. Thank you very much. Talk to you soon.